Exciting news! Today, we're here to guide you on creating your very own Gmail account in 2024. In this video, we're not just showing you the basics, we're taking you step by step through the whole sign-up process. Want to know how to set up your Gmail in the easiest way possible? Stick around, I've got some cool clips, easy tips, and a simple walkthrough to make you a Gmail pro in no time. Ready to dive into the future of emails? Awesome! Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's start this Gmail journey together. Your digital adventure begins with a click. Now, let's start with the first step. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Gmail homepage. Click on the link inside the red rectangle, and it will take you to the Gmail account homepage. Next, click on the Create Account button in the top right-hand corner. Choose the option For My Personal Use from the drop-down list highlighted in the red rectangle. This will open the Gmail account registration page, where you'll need to enter your first name and last name, optional. Now, a quick tip. Always use shorter names for easy remembrance. After clicking Next, you'll be asked for your date of birth and gender. Click Next. Gmail automatically suggests user-friendly email addresses, as seen in the red rectangle. If that appeals to you, click Next. Alternatively, you have the option to create your own Gmail address by choosing Create Your Own Gmail Address and clicking Next. Tip 2. Use a dot between the first and last name for better availability. You can also add some digits to make the username more memorable. After clicking Next, set your password. Tip 3. Ensure your password includes both capital alphabets and alphanumeric characters for security and memorability. Add your mobile number. It may ask for a code sent to your mobile number, adding an extra layer of protection in case you forget your password. A recovery email is equally important in case your mobile network is down. You can recover your password by adding another email address. This step is optional. Review your account, scroll through the terms and conditions, and click Next. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Gmail account and landed on the dashboard. Stay tuned for more videos on customizing your Gmail account like a pro. Until next time, thanks for watching.